There's a beautiful feature called void pallet. And the reason void pallet is so beautiful is because every once in a while, you might get in the middle of the press and you have some pallet tape that rips, or something weird happens with one pallet, and you just want to get through that print run without changing pallet tape or anything like that. And so you can just go and click on voiding that particular pallet. And that way, when that pallet goes under the print head, the press will not print that pallet. You might also have a situation where you have a 10-color press and you go to buy some weird pallet like a double sleeve pallet or a winged pallet, or just some sort of obscure pallet, and you don't want to buy a full set of them because that would just cost you a whole lot of money. So maybe you have 4 of those pallets and you put them on your 10 pallet press, and you can just void all the pallets that are not the obscure pallet that you've put on. That'll allow you to skip those pallets as it's printing around. So maybe you do it every other one so you can get used to a pace, or maybe you do 4 in a row and all the rest are voided, so you print these 4 and then it flies around and then you print 4 again. So the void pallet feature will come in very, very handy for all kinds of needs in your near future. In order to get to the void pallet, what we're going to do is we're going to press Utilities, and then we're going to press Programs, and then inside of Programs you'll find this handy button that says Void Pallets. So when it says void pallets and it has numbers, these numbers do not correspond to the number that's on your press arm. These numbers correspond to where the pallets are sitting right now. So this is saying it's pallet 10, this is pallet 9. So if we want to void pallet 10 and 9, we're going to do this like this. And as it goes around, it'll always remember that it was these 2 pallets that get voided, right? So you can get really confused if you start printing and then you don't remember which pallet it was or whatever. Maybe you mark it with a piece of tape or something like that. So right now 9 and 10 are voided, which is going to be this one and this one. And that's corresponding to what you visually see, not what the number on the print arm is. And I press Start, it changes. So you can see how it follows around those pallets. So every time it moves, those 2 pallets are moving around in the void structure there. So that is how you void a pallet.